Hello everyone, let's make a fresh and flavorful avocado guacamole that's perfect for dipping or spreading on toast. Start by mashing ripe avocados in a bowl, then add finely chopped onion, tomato, garlic and basil leaves for a burst of freshness. Season it with salt, black pepper and finish with a squeeze of lemon juice for that perfect zesty kick. Mix everything together and here is your homemade guacamole is ready. Enjoy it with crunchy nachos or spread it over crispy toast. This creamy guacamole will bring a vibrant flavor to every bite. And subscribe for more tasty recipes.